Listen, maybe we should spend a little bit more time talking about great music and cool stuff in the city instead of every conversation being about celebrities you saw or the traffic. You know what I'm saying? Young Scooter with Trinidad James, I can't wait. You know what? We won't keep you waiting.
Out the car!
Nigga, you a fuck nigga. Stay counting up, nigga. Young Scoop, Trinidad,
Suspect left seen in a dark gray sports car.
nigga, you a fuck nigga. Stay counting up, nigga. Young Scoop, Trinidad.
Oh my god!
You show me a Gucci money, everybody gunning. Little Mexico City, we print our own money.
Hey, hey! There's something you fucking understand!
Witness me hit a lot of licks with no man.
Motherfucker! Chill the fuck out!
Got his own money. I got the folks
Why are you still breathing? What the? Fuck off, you punk! What? Fuck! Hold it down! That was a fine shot. Oh, you see him? Nice work. Why do you insist? Be careful! How you not see me? Fucking idiot! You make my skin! Hey! Let's do this, motherfucker! Just you think you're tough, don't you? Come on! Let's see what you got! You got it! work.
Something you're fucking pathetic!
That was a fight shot. Down. Nice work.
Look out! I know, it ain't fucking LSPD, stand down!
I'm reloading.
Give it up! Why do you insist? How you not see me?